Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog! So, we're here at Avi's house.
What's the name of the condominium?
Pearl of the Orient.
Wow.
And
Lucky boy.
what are we gonna do today?
We're gonna shoot an infomercial and like
Bida siya. Bida siya. Bumida siya. Oh, sige. Okay. See you guys later.
So we just finished our shoot for today and okay naman siya. How about you?
Well, are you?
This is our narrator slash cameraman. And then yung isa doon. Asan na siya? And then one of our friends are gonna come din. Si Hani.
Yeah, cause she's bored.
She's bored at her dorm na. So we went down sa apartment nila Abby. Kasi pumunta si Toby tsaka si Hani. So susunduin namin sila. And then, inilibre kami ni Toby. Asa na sila? Say hi! Hi! Show us your new phone.
Bigyan ni Mama.
Yeah, so we're going to the cafe na guys. So hi guys.
Thank you po. Ay,
pa-score natin.
thank you po. Thank you po, sir.
Ito.
Diba? Baka hindi pa mag-on alam kung good days and person sa online class yan sila. Ay.
Say bye na. We're ending this vlog na.
Sa may ano,
Bye.
malapit.
Bye,